Monday, tomorrow at 11:30. Yeah, 11:30. And I can't wait. And it's gonna be totally awesome. Yeah. Bye. And this is what I packed. Okay, so my camera, obviously, you can see it in the mirror. That's my camera that I'm taking. Then my beautiful purse. An Italian guide at language for Italian speaking language. Because obviously I don't know how to speak it, and that is where I'm going. Well, I'm going to Europe, but I will be in Italy, so. Some goldfish. Some more goldfish. Some more goldfish. Some more goldfish. I think that's all the goldfish. Chewy granola. Some more granola bars. Some more granola bars. And my book, The Deathly Hallows. And my diary. Shh. And glasses. And my glasses are in there. And that's just the backpack that I'm going to be taking. So that's it. And I can't wait. It's gonna be awesome. I'm so excited to do. Yeah.